Agenda. Whether a class is 1 or many hours long, it is unfolding in time and space, just like a road trip. Lectures, activities, discussions, breaks, and other adventures should be right-sized and sequenced for maximum variety and impact. While it is essential for the instructor to have such a plan, students need a roadmap too. That way, they can pace themselves and contribute. Therefore, after an opening salvo, I move right to an agenda. By agenda, I mean a simple schedule of events pinned to real time. From the get-go, it lets everyone know what will happen that day and for how long. Over the years, my agendas have evolved in design and currently, using the platform Canva, look like this. Typically, each 2 to 3 hour class has half a dozen parts with a break clearly marked in the middle. Most segments last about 30 minutes, so no topic goes on for too long. When I first show students this slide, I talk them through it, saying a few words about what each portion of class involves. I use the icons at right to signal different kinds of learning, whether a lecture, videos, or small group discussions. Usually, I note where harder content falls, so everyone may prepare themselves. As class proceeds through its different segments, I return to the agenda to mark our progress and to remind everyone of the bigger picture. Stepping back further to look at my whole slide deck, you can see the repeating agenda slides keeping time. I believe the agenda is like a contract, and it is working on many levels. If class moves in an unexpected direction, without offense, I can correct course by invoking the agenda. If students are not enjoying a particular moment, they may rest assured that it won't last forever. Anyone with an impulse to leave class may stay because they are interested in something later on in the agenda. The agenda also functions as a table of contents for the whole slide deck, which sits as a record of the class within course documentation.